Every night at exactly 12 a.m., an entire neighborhood goes silent. No cars, no insects, no wind, not even footsteps. Phones keep recording, but the audio track is completely flat. For 3 minutes, it's like sound itself is turned off. People say they can still move, but everything feels wrong to still too aware. One resident claimed they heard something else instead, a low vibration, like the air was listening. At 12:03 a.m., noise snaps back instantly. Engines start, dogs bark, life resumes. City officials deny it. Sound meters show nothing, but everyone agrees on one thing. Those 3 minutes feel longer than they should. Comment bait. What happens while the world is muted?